Today you are going to practice converting mixed and improper fractions. So let's first start with a mixed fraction. So for this first situation with these red fraction pieces, we have one whole circle colored in, and then we have another 1/3 sized piece. Okay? If we wanted to do it as improper, we would count up the number of third sized pieces. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces that are a third of a size of the circle. So it would be 4/3. Another way you can do that to convert is you can take the denominator, times it by that whole number, so 3 times 1, which is 3, plus the numerator, so plus 1 more, so 3 plus 1 is 4. That gives us that 4, and then keep the denominator of a 3. All right, let's try this next one. For the purple circles, we have 2 whole circles shaded in, and then an extra 2/5. We could also count up how many individual fifth size pieces there are. So there'd be 5 pieces here, 5 pieces here, so that's 10, plus 2 more, which is 12. So 12/5. Okay. If we didn't have the picture, we could do 5 times 2 to get 10. 10 plus 2 more would give us 12, and then we keep the same denominator of 5. Let's try one more without a picture. So if we're converting 3 4/5 from this mixed fraction into an improper fraction, which, by the way, an improper fraction has a larger number on top and a smaller number on the bottom. So we're going to do 5 times 3, which is 15, plus 4 more. 15 plus 4 is 19, and keep the denominator of 5. Now let's try going in reverse. Let's say we have an improper fraction and we need to turn it into a mixed fraction. Okay? One way to do that is to divide, and the top dog gets the doghouse. So this is from way back in the day, so we'll go 5 divided by 2. 2 goes into 5 2 times. If you're not really sure, you can skip count. 2, 4, 6. Oops, 6 is too high, so we can't do that. So 2 times, and that would be 4, because 2 times 2 is 4. And then if I subtract that there, I have 1 extra. So this number up on top is my whole number. My remainder is my numerator. And then the number I divided by is the denominator, 2.5. Okay, and you don't necessarily have to write it out like this. You could just skip count by 2s until you get close to 5. So 2, 4, that's as close as I can get, so that's 2 whole times. And then I'd have to go up 1 more to get from 4 to 5, and then I keep that denominator of 2. All right, let's try that strategy for 10/3. So let's say I'm going to skip count by 3s until I get close to 10. 3, 6, 9, 12. Oops, 12 would be too high, so only 3 times, which got me to 3, 6, 9. If I meant 9, I'd have to count on 1 more to get to 10, and I keep thirds. We're going to try another one that does not have a 1 in the numerator. So let's do 14/4. All right, so I'm going to skip count by 4s until I get to 14. 4, 8, 12, 16. Oh, 16 is too big, so I'm going to get rid of that one. I skip counted 3 times to get as close as I can without going over. That brought me to 12. 13, 14. I'd have to add on 2 more to get to 14. And I keep my denominator of 4. Ooh, but I could simplify this one. 2/4 is the same as 1/2.